We're here this morning to announce the new prices of unleaded petrol, premix, kerosene, diesel and LPG products based on the latest review by the Fiji Commerce Commission. Welcome to the Commerce Commission Chairman and the CEO and PS. As of midnight this evening, there's going to be an increase in fuel and LPG prices. The increase in refined petroleum product prices for the period of October to December 2016 basically attributed to declining global inventory levels and higher demands for refined petroleum for this quarter, and the strengthening of the trading currency, which is the US dollar. The new prices for fuel and LPG will come into effect on the 15th of January, midnight this evening, as I said, and the fluctuations in the international prices and freight rates and exchange rates have been considered in this particular review, and the resulting effect of the product movements has seen the following changes in fuel prices for the first quarter of 2017 for the Fijian market. The current price of motor spirit is $1.72, and the revised price is $1.83, and premix is current price is $1.56, and the revised price is $1.67. The kerosene current price is $1.18, and the revised price is $1.26. Diesel will go from $1.40 to $1.47, so effectively it's like 11 cents, 8 cents, and a 7 cent price change. Obviously Fiji is a price taker, as we always say, and we cannot control the fluctuations in the global fuel markets. But through sensible and consistent policy decisions, we've managed to ensure some kind of price stability. Therefore, fuel and LPG prices are reviewed every quarter, as opposed to every month, or as opposed to what some say, as soon as the rises are seen around the world. We at the Commerce Commission, obviously, as I said, it's done quarterly. The only time that you will see it done in between is if there's a 15 cents rise or fall either way. So then it happens within the quarter. This enables all Fijians to plan their consumption better and to remove shocks as a result of continuous price fluctuations. And even when taking these charges into account, fuel prices are markedly lower than the prices in the same period last year. If you compare it to the same period last year, we show some considerable savings. Like motor spirit is about 7 cents in 2017, it's 183 2016, 190 premix similarly. So we have had some savings considerably since last year. The review for the first quarter 2017 noted increase in prices of LPG products due to the following reasons. There was increase in published prices and the strengthening of the US dollar against the Fijian dollar, and with international freight rates remaining constant. And the resulting effect of these movements has seen the following changes in LPG prices for the first quarter of 2017. LPG prices for the Fijian market, obviously I've just said, 4.5 kilogram cylinder will grow from $10.77 to $12.04. 12 kg cylinder will go from $28.73 to $32.11. Bulk $2.03 to $2.27. Auto gas $1.36 a litre to $1.52 a litre. Obviously Vanuatu, the prices will vary outside of Viti Levu and Vanuatu, and the prices and changes, you'll get the press brief later, are a result of increases in the published prices for LPG cargoes discharged in October, November and December. So ladies and gentlemen, the published prices increases from the previous quarter averaged at about US $367 per ton to US $410 per ton in the current quarter, and the movement in the exchange rate of the Fijian dollar against the US dollar and the movement in the international freight rates handling charges attributed to the price changes. These price changes in fuel and LPG are obviously beyond our control, given that Fiji is a price taker to the world market prices for both refined refined oils and butane. And fuel is a significant contributor to carbon emission and climate change, etc. And the impact of climate change poses a larger threat to small island developing states as ours, and as was seen with Cyclone Winston and the devastation it caused. Therefore, we need to assist the lead to fight and combat climate change by being responsible in the use of our fuel, amongst other things. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.